Hey guys, I'm Adriana from Anima Mundi. I own a Brooklyn-based apothecary where we serve awesome plant medicines. Today we're doing a rose body butter, which is so decadent and so good. And I'm using today rose powder, rose petals, and hibiscus flowers. So we're gonna start by infusing our base oil, and we're using jojoba. So we're gonna use around 3 ounces of jojoba. Jojoba is great because it's like really good for low heat. So we're gonna use 70 degrees. We are using around 1 teaspoon, like a heaping teaspoon of rose powder. We're using about a teaspoon-ish of hibiscus flowers. We're gonna do a little sprinkle of rose petals, also around a teaspoon. So in a double boiler, you add it straight in. Be sure to always add water to your pan, because if it dries up, it might break the glass or it might overheat. The whole point is that it's a slow extraction, under 70, so you don't break the medicinal qualities of anything. So just be sure to mix it, keep a good eye on it. It's around 3 hours. So shea butter has an extremely high nutrient density. So it is used usually to bring deep moisture. This is so good to bring natural vitamin E back into the skin. Roses are natural cardiotonics, so it helps the blood surface. So basically, if you want to open your lymphatic system, roses are a great help for that. Hibiscus is super high in vitamin C. It's one of the most high vitamin C flowers on the planet. More vitamin C means healthier skin. Coconut oil stabilizes the shelf life of a lot of products, so that's great. And on top of that, it's just an excellent moisturizer that sucks in pretty fast in the skin. So we're gonna infuse our flowers first into the jojoba, and then we're gonna combine it with the shea butter and the coconut oil. So using a cheesecloth, we're gonna do a basic, just little press here. All the good stuff is always kept in the leaves and so you wanna be sure you really press it out. In the meantime, you're gonna wanna melt your shea butter and your coconut oil. So we're gonna put it back in the double boiler. Then we're gonna add about 1 heaping tablespoon of coconut oil. So in your double boiler at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll put your 2 base butters. So you wanna be sure that you keep adding water to it and just let it melt completely and softly and slowly. If you speed it up too much, it kind of burns the oil, and again, you lose the medicinal properties. You let it cook for around an hour or so. You wanna be sure to give it a nice mix, so you want the shea butter and the coconut oil fully assimilated into each other. So allow it to cool off a bit, but you wanna whip it warm. You don't wanna whip it back into its original state. And we're gonna put it straight into the food processor. So grab your sanitized jars. You can add a little alcohol or just clean them really well. Be sure there's no water in there because it'll make it spoil faster. And this is seriously good for anything. I've had people use this for a really nice moisturizing lotion for babies from diaper rash. This is an amazing sex lube, totally non-toxic that can go inside or out. It doesn't matter. I hope you love it, and thanks for joining us.